So as this, after the 7 symptoms of weak or bad spark plug, I'm going to test the resistance of the weak spark plug. So all of us will see that the spark plug is weak. We can check it at home with your multimeter. Just get your multimeter and then we go. So after this, the 7 symptoms I'm giving, I'm going to check the resistance of that spark plug. The resistance of spark plug, right? Then we all see the resistance of a spark plug. So follow me. All right. It's AK Garage. Today's video, I'm going to give you the 7 symptoms or the 7 signs of weak or bad spark plug. And then I will show you if your spark plug is weak and it's affecting your engine performance or your engine. So I'm going to give you the 7 symptoms and the signs of bad or weak spark plug. So follow me and let's take it one by one. And you see that always you are blaming maybe your engine is doing this and doing that all over, but because of spark plug, because of maybe one spark plug can give you that problem. Yes, one spark plug can give you that problem. So follow me and let's take it one by one, and you see that your problem will be solved. That's it doesn't have a lot of to spend a lot of money about particular plug because of your spark plug. Yes, so let me show you. So one is rough idling. Bad spark plug or weak spark plug is will give you rough idling. Because rough idling, if you start your car, you can see that your car is shaking. The engine is shaking, right? Your engine is shaking. As it settles down, it's not moving. You just start it, the engine will shake, or you hear sputtering. Your engine, you hear some sputtering behind the rear your exhaust. That is sound po. Yes, that is sputtering. So this is the symptoms of bad spark plug. And then the two is misfiring. Yes, engine misfiring. Let's take it as engine misfiring depend a lot, yes, but spark plug can give you one sign or symptoms of the engine misfiring. And misfiring, if you take misfiring as a whole, if the engine is not receiving enough air, yes, enough air, the engine will misfire, or enough fuel, engine will misfire. And then maybe the engine doesn't get spark to ignite the oxygen. Yes, oxygen and then the fuel. That one too, it will cause engine misfire. So all it depends on the spark plug. So this is the weak or the 7 signs of the spark plug. That is the second one. And then the third one is low MPG. That's the mass per gallon. Yes. So if you see low MPG is mass per gallon, it's indicating how the car travel within a mass per 1 gallon of a fuel. That's a mass per gallon. So if it is high mass, high MPG, that means it's good for your car performance. Yes, it's good for your car performance. So spark plug can give you low MPG of your car, and it will affect the performance of your car. Yes, it affects the performance of your car. So you have to check and note about your spark plug. And then the fourth one is to give you black smoke. We all know that if your spark plug can't ignite the oxygen, the mixture of air and fuel, well, it will definitely give you black smoke. Because if it's continuously doing those things, doing this, the smoke will paddle on the converter, catalyst converter. Yes. So as time goes on, you can see that smoke will come out small, 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 small. So it can give you that black smoke, and you will think your engine is not good. Your engine has died, it's supposed to change. No, it's not like that. Your spark plug is not good. So you have to change your spark plug. And don't worry, we are going to check how it is. Yes. So we are going to measure, use multimeter to check the resistance of the spark plug. So this is it. So this is your spark plug. That's the fifth one to will make your engine not perform. Yes, engine will not perform well as you want, or engine will not pull at all. As the fifth one, engine will not pull at all. Sometimes on the highway you want to overtake some car, right? And you change it, and you accelerate, you press the pedal to accelerate fast. You can see that your expectation of your car to run fast, your car is rather slow. It's rather slow or stall. You think like your car is stalling, right? Your car is stalling. It's the symptoms of the bad or weak spark plug. Yes, symptoms of the weak spark plug. Yes. So you can see that, and then how it is your engine to sometimes it won't start. At the six, engine won't start at all. You crank and crank and crank and crank, engine will not start. So unless you check your spark plug, yes, unless you check your spark plug, then you see it. Then we have the seven is on accelerating. If you want to accelerate, it's the same as any performance. It's not pulling, it's rather stall down. The engine to pick it fast, it can't pick it fast, it goes slow. That is the symptoms or the bad of the bad spark plug or weak spark plug. And then let me show you this. Do you know that dirty spark plug? Yes, dirty spark plug can cause engine rough idling, or can make engine to be rough idling. Yes, dirty spark plug can let your car be in rough idling. So unless you clean it before, yes, unless you clean it before you get actual performance. So let's see here if your engine is your is weak. Let's see if your spark plug is weak. You need to change. No matter how it is, you need to change it. So this is how I'm going to check. You can see here the brown spot. You can see that brown thing. That means the fire is leaking. Yes, the fire is leaking. So as you are seeing it, the fire leaking. So the performance of your engine will be low, because you're not supposed to leak like this brownish. As you clean it, you try to clean, and you're supposed to you don't have to be brown and it's leaking. So we have to change. And we are going to check the resistance of the spark plug. Yes, the resistance of the spark plug. So follow me and let's see the resistance of the spark plug. As my multimeter is here, yes, as a cute multimeter, yes, cute one is here. You can see it, right? A cute multimeter is here. Yes, you can see it. The cute multimeter is here. Going to check the resistance of spark plug. Then you will see your costs of the engine servicing will come down. Yes, will come down. So let's check the resistance of the spark plug. All right. So as you can see, well, we are come to check. We need to check the resistance of your multimeter. So this multimeter actually is digital one. So you have to set it from here. Let me on the lights here. So okay, you have to set it. So you want it here, then you press this settings, because set is here. Then it sets to kilo kilo ohms. Yes, that's the resistance line, kilo ohms. So now it's K is M ohms. Yes. So as we are about to check, it will tend to kilo ohms here. So ohms, you turn to your multimeter to ohms, and then it starts, right? It starts. So as we can see it here, let's check. And then to check the multimeter, the resistance of multimeter, right? You suppose the actual one is the good multimeter supposed to be read from 4,000 15,000, or 1,000 to 15,000, right? 1,000 15,000. But we have the mo- uh, resistance spark plug. Yes, the spark plug supposed to be range from 4,000 to 15,000, right? 4,000 to 15,000. But we have resistance resistance spark plug, and then non-resistance spark plug. How non-resistance spark plug? You can see it here. If it is resistance spark plug, you can see R, right? Now you can see R here. Yes, R is here. NGK is R is here. NGK, the root R, this resistance multimeter, and this one too is different. Is NGK. NGK, this actual one too has R, is IR, right? IR, NGK, IR. So current, and then the resistance spark plug. So we are going to check it. Let's take it one by one and see that it will give us that 4,000 range to 15,000 range, right? If it gives us 4,000 to 15,000 range, it is good. So we have just some spark plugs just need a clean. You have to clean it. Yes, you have to clean it. So as you're about to check, you put the red probe here to the tip of the electrode, here of the spark plug. Now you can see, yes, the tip here. Then the black electrode, you put it to the bottom of it here. Yes, so it will be like this and like this. So now you can see. Now as you can see, so a good spark plug doesn't fluctuate its numbers, it's ones. But immediately it fluctuates up and down, the spark plug is no good. Yes, the spark plug is no good. So you're supposed to put it well and then test it and see. So here we go. So now you can see this. Yes, you can see this 3.650. See, 3.650 of this spark plug. Yes, you see it's fluctuating. Yes, 3.650. Immediately it starts like this, your spark plug is weak. It can't perform well. And let's check this one too. This one too is 4.37, right? Yes, as the same spark plug. You can see it's the same spark plug, right? And let's check this one. This one is different. Let's put it here. The tips of electrode, and then the bottom of it. So you can check it here. can check it here. This one is 4.84. Yeah, 4.84. Right. Let's check. Yes. 4 point now is down 4.88. Yes, 4.88. So this actual spark plug is weak because it's fluctuating. And let's check this one too. You can see this one. 3.688. 3.688. Let's check this one. 4.96. So you can see this one is no good. Let's check this one. 4 point, you see, let me put it here like this. Maybe my hand is taking. Let's go. 4.20. Let's take this one particular and see. Now you can identify. You can see. Now you can see this 3.702. So all this one is no good. Yes, it's no good. But this particular is good because some spark plug need only clean because rough idling can cause dirty spark plug. If the spark plug is dirty, to give you rough idling. Yes, so this is okay garage. Thank you.